Will you cash out during the next bull run? The common wisdom in here seems to be DCA into Bitcoin for safe returns. My question is, when do you realize those returns? What price point for Bitcoin would you sell? I've seen estimates on here for 2 by 10x as realistic Bitcoin targets for the next bull run. What do you expect for the next crypto winter? Will prices return to where we are now? Will the average be higher? Lower? I know this is all speculative, but in the past it seemed that a lot of people here were invested in Bitcoin for the long term. Now I'm getting the impression that more people want to realize their gains when possible. But I wanted to get a better feel for that. View poll. In my head my answer is yes. But in reality I will sell precisely 10 minutes before the bull run takes off 400. 10x from here would be very tempting. But knowing me, I'll be greedy and HODL. Then be salty next bear drop. And repeat this at each bull run. DCA in and DCA out. Sell some and continue to DCA for significant future. It will be my third bull run, so I'm finally ready to get out. I hold a BTC just in case. But I'm ready to take my profits and be done with the roller coaster. Only if I can buy a house outright. I can't because the Irish government will take 33.3. I have to wait another 5-10 years outside of this country. Make your plan for the bull now so that you're ready. I've got my price targets to sell 80. And keep the other 20 to ride higher with a plan to sell somewhere before the prior ATH. Hopefully I'm disciplined enough to take my own advice. I will keep 1 BTC forever and try to sell the rest at a good price point. The big question is what the next initial coin offering BNB token NFT Decentraland get quick rich scheme materializes. I will be jumping in that bandwagon during the next bull run. Of course, I've done it every bull market and it's worked. So far, it's been a very predictable 4-year cycle. 3 good years followed by 1 really bad year, 2014, 2018, 2022. I bought in at the start of 2023. And I'll sell at the end of 2025. I'll be selling my alts moons in the bullrun. Can't believe I got so much free money from titting around on the internet, thanks Reddit. Yeah, I'm buying a house and a bunch of toys and retiring lol. As long as we have a decent bull market. I love how people say during the next bull run like it's a sure thing to happen. I know. Cycles. Greed, fear. Rainbow chart. Moons have taught me to not hodl anymore. Not 100, but I'll certainly do some profit collecting. People won't DCA out. They couldn't even sell any free moons. Greed will get the best of them. I bought BTC at around 25k. I'll try to sell in the bullrun. The question is, how much will Bitcoin be at the peak? 60k? 80k? Over a 100k? Who knows? Cash out on altcoins, they're all pump and dumps. Tears of joy. When is it scheduled? Sell, but only to divest in other assets. Will never be entirely out of crypto. Expecting to hit my temporary crypto endgame this run if it comes. Have my numbers set as to DCA out. I will hold between 10-20 in BTC forever. The rest I will DCA out. I mean, I wanted to cash out some moons during the next bull run. And maybe a bit of altcoins. Nope, I have a few BTC and I'm never selling. Maybe borrow against in the far future. DCA forever. But the point of DCA is that you DCA in and DCA out. So the two options are the same. If my wife wins the argument, then yes. Some of us will sell. some of us will get sold on. It's easy to have a plan to sell the top during the bull run. That is far more difficult to actually do when prices are climbing 10 a week. Ultimately, you'll have to be okay with selling too early to actually sell the next bull run. The pain from selling too early can be worse than losses. I sell only when Bitcoins hits 1 million. You DCA always, and you always sell during bull runs to capture profits. Rinse and repeat. Selling in third quarter 2025 to buy in again first quarter 2026. DCA and hold. This is a long-term play. I'm mixed on this. I follow the 4-year cycle. This will be my third one. I've been preparing for this bull of 2025 by buying a few top alts. I plan on selling the alts, but holding BTC for life. Depends on the gain. If it's 10x, I'll sell enough to pay off my house and keep the rest and continue to DCA. If it's only 2x gain, I'll just hold and DCA. I have a target price where I'm going to sell 3/4 of my BTC. If there's something I want to buy with cash, sure, I guess. Probably just hold though. I love how people talk about the utility and long-term value in Bitcoin, but while simultaneously salivating at the thought of selling it all for cash. I'll just be happy if I break even at this point. When your barber starts talking to you about buying crypto, sell it. Why would I cash out? I'm not gambling. During the what? I am just here looking out for exit liquidity. I will take some profits. Hopefully. I wouldn't sell everything I have. Hopefully I will sell most of it if prices reach a point where I'm happy to do that. I have some bags that I plan on selling all of, and some that I plan to hold for many years to come. But I will still sell a small part of those if numbers get to a certain point. Bull run. What's that? Down 70 on minor stocks and they aren't moving anymore. Can't cash out in the next bull run when you cashed out in the depths of the bear run. Maybe, if it's enough to pay the bills. Then I just keep putting money in until retirement. Your two options are not convenient. How about day or swing trading the bull run all along? I don't think there will be another one. This is actually funny. The fact that so many people plan to sell in the next bull run is the exact reason why there won't be a next bull run anytime in the near to midterm future. There is absolutely no reason to hold any altcoin through crypto winter. HODL only applies to BTC. HODL altcoins is an oxymoron. Crypto winter arrives in 2026. Plan accordingly. Get out of alts before the music stops again. Assuming there'll be another bull run. DCA out is the way, ladies, gents. If I had to guess, and my guess is as worthless as every other guess around here, then I'd expect BTC to 4x from here, 2x from ATH if there's another bull run. But I can only speculate. The only thing I can really speculate on is the very existence of my life with or without my wife. In terms of the human relationships, the juxtaposition of one person to another, the form, the content. I'm not just talking about one person. I'm talking about everybody. I'm talking about God, the devil, hell, heaven. Do you understand? Oops. Got carried away there. Maybe I should just go watch that movie again. Being a bagholder ain't fun. If there is a good selling point, there is no shame in taking profits, then getting back in when prices drop. I've been DCAing throughout this bear like many others. I think it would be wise if everyone started to DCA out once the bull market occurs. Late 2024, 2025 onwards. Set a plan. Stick to it. Don't FOMO people.